How to add business to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to add business to Uber Eats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser as you can't continue this process using the Uber Eats application. Here you can see I am using the Safari application. Now here, as you can see, I have already searched for Uber Eats. After searching here, as you can see, there are different websites and link on your screen. Scroll down until you see this option of Become a Delivery Driver using Uber Eats. Click on it. Once you are here on this page, at the top right corner, here you will see two dash line. Click on it. Again, different options will pop up on your screen, from which click on Business. Here you can see some of the details, so simply click on How to Get Started button. Here, as you can see, there are two ways to get started with Uber for Business. Let's say I want to select the first one. So simply click on that Sign Up Now option. Here on this page, you need to enter some of the details about your company. Enter the organization, work email, company size, that means the total number of employees on your company, and you can also enter the phone number, which is optional. After filling all of your information, simply tap on I agree button after reading all the terms and conditions of the Uber Eats. Finally, click on next button and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.